Is the Dyson dupe from TikTok shop worth it? My hair's dry, so I don't really have a point for these, so we're just gonna try to curl it. Moment of truth. Okay, that feels like a good starting piece. Okay. I'm gonna let it cool on its own because it definitely, yeah, I mean, it got hot. My hair doesn't really hold curls, so I'm a little worried that this isn't gonna be warm enough, but moment of truth. Oh, it's actually such a pretty curl. Okay, let's keep going. I did roll them up and pin them to let them cool off. I'm gonna hairspray them and then we'll see. Let's see. That's a good blowout curl. Okay. Not bad. Oh yeah. I did smaller sections on this side, bigger on this side, just to see the difference between the two. This is gonna fall into this, and I still think this is beautiful, but I prefer this. So you tell me.